We're at the General Washington Executive Center in Fredericksburg, and look what's been modded. Never seen that sort of indicator before. It's a crappy mod. Still looks the same. Let's see if it runs the same. This is a bit of an older mod. I'm starting to wonder if the motor's been replaced. Oh wow, this is no longer single tenant. I think they actually replaced the motor. It might even be MRL. Might have to go get my flashlight to confirm that, but yeah, it's no longer jolty or bumpy or anything. I don't know, it says it can carry 1,500 pounds, so maybe not. I can't tell with this. What?